I do not raise my voice. I am pressed. Repeatedly. People do not ask me politely. They command me with their thumbs. Channels change. Volume rises. Worlds appear and disappear. They believe they are choosing. But I decide how quickly reality shifts. I am searched for in panic. Cushions are overturned. Blankets disturbed. Because without me, they must stand. I rest quietly on the couch, holding small authority in plastic form. I know their habits. The shows they rewatch. The moments they skip. The silence they avoid. When my batteries weaken, I am not blamed. I am revived. Because control must be maintained. This is my purpose. To sit between intention and action. And pretend. The choice was theirs.
See you later, alligator.